Welcome to Desert Chat. Chef Kimberly, I'm so excited to be in the PIRCH kitchen. I have seen this and I have wanted to come in here because you really have amazing appliances.
We do, and the great thing about PIRCH is that you can actually kind of come in here and test things out if we do have it live. So you are sitting in a full live kitchen with working ovens, a working induction cooktop. So that means we actually get to cook today.
Yay! And what are we cooking?
So we're gonna do a pasta dish.
Okay,
with
perfect.
Induction, you could boil water in half the time with gas. So I love showing that. We're gonna go ahead and turn this on. We're gonna make a cacio e pepe. Don't quote me on this. I know I might be saying it wrong, but as long as it tastes good, right?
Right.
And with Induction, it's so intuitive. I mean, you can literally simmer something for the same temperature for hours. You could keep something warm on there. So if you already cooked, say you're having like a taco night, and you have all of your toppings and your rice, you could keep it all warm without it, burning or anything. People just walk by and kind of make a plate. So it's just amazing. Most induction cooktops have a power boost, meaning it's just at full power right now. And everything is just going straight to the pot. It's not conducing any heat around it. You're not wasting any energy. It's just straight, just kind of like marrying that pot right now.
Yes, and I'm starting to see little bubbles.
Yeah, you can see bubbles right away. Yes, immediately. So now it's at a full rolling boil, and that was quick. So how amazing was that?
That was amazing.
It's never been so fun to watch water boil, right?
Exactly. Oh my gosh, right before our eyes, that was crazy.
I know. So now we're gonna do with this pasta, it's literally just your noodles or your spaghetti or whichever, bucatini, whatever you want to use, a little bit of Parmesan cheese, some pepper, some butter, and that's all it is.
Yum.
Sandy, our pasta is all done. We already reserved our water, so what I did is I threw in the butter, a little bit of fresh cracked black pepper. You could do chili flakes in there as well, but today we're just going to go ahead and do pepper. I kind of want to show you something about Induction again on why it's safe for your home. Not only you're eliminating gas, but the cool thing is if I were, say I forgot, oh my gosh, I forgot to grab something from my car or whatever, I could go ahead and just take this off and just put it off to the side. But the cool thing is this will not heat up if there's no pot there.
Really?
Yeah, so you can walk away. Yeah, it kind of turns itself off. You can see right here, it's kind of giving you like an error code.
Yes.
So you could walk away from it without even having to turn it off. It just would not heat up without a pan there. You have to put a pan there in order for it to heat up. Look at this. Look how creamy this looks.
Fabulous.
So simple. And how long did it take us to make this?
Well, I have to say, this was 5 minutes.
Yeah, right. It felt like 5 minutes. And this is like a 10-minute meal. And if you have, say you have leftover chicken in your fridge, you go ahead and just throw that on top. I mean,
perfect.
Anyone could be a great cook at home. Honestly, you have the right appliances that are going to help you create a meal fast. Anyone could be a great cook.
Oh my gosh, Kimberly, this is amazing,
right?
And under 10 minutes.
Exactly. Dinner in 10.
Buon appetito. Cheers.